Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this swallow fufu amala using this aubergine. So guys, I've already taken out the bad parts. I've washed it thoroughly, so I go on and dice it into cubes, smaller cubes, then add it into the pot. Add just a little dash of water and cook on a low heat. After 10 minutes, I will stir it so that it will cook faster and evenly without burning. Then after more 10 minutes, I will stir it again. Then after stirring it, I will remove the water that I added earlier. Just sieve it out, just like so. And here you go. This is the water from it. So now I can start blending it. Remember that I normally blend with my hand blender. It makes it easier and quicker instead of adding it into a blender. That's why I don't cook it with a non-stick pot but a stainless pot so that I can blend it right inside. After blending it, I will add psyllium husk. Add enough psyllium husk so that this will bind very well, because you know this aubergine is very soft. But yeah, if you love amala, why not? You will love aubergine because it has that consistency, the color, the texture of amala. So this is a healthy amala. So I will go on and stir and stir and stir consistently for almost 5 minutes till it starts shining and bubbling. Then you know your amala, your fufu, your healthy swallow is ready. This is alternative to amala. If you want to keep on eating your fufu, to keep on eating your swallow while you lose some weight, try this guys. Instead of eating that eba, that banku, try this first and you see how you'll be shedding weight easily. Then after that, I will go on and tie it in a nylon just the way that I'll be picking it one after the other. Remember to tie the amount that will be enough for you, just like so. You can tie it anyhow you want. Then this is the quantity that is suitable for me. Then after tying the remaining one, I will keep it to cool down. Once it cools down, it will form very well. It will become thicker than this. Then you can start eating it. But before we eat it, please remember to like this video, share the video, leave your comments below. That will motivate me to be putting more videos. And thank you so much for always coming to watch my video. For my new subscribers, I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you for clicking on this video. Please like, share, subscribe and engage in the comment section. And after tying the last one, then I will keep everything to cool down before packing it in the freezer, because I made big quantity. I will not be eating all of them. I will just take one, then others will enter inside the freezer till whenever I'm about to eat it again. I will take it out overnight and allow it to defrost before eating it. And this is the soup that I'm using, is bitter leaf soup. You can use any soup of your choice, but it goes perfectly well with draw soup. Thank you for watching. Bye.